is how to get free willow trees and cottonwoods. All you got to do is get some willow branches. You can either drive down the street after a windstorm and look for branches that have blown off local trees in your neighborhood, or if you have a neighbor that's got some and cut some down, or if you just want to go up in the mountains and clip off an inch or two of, or 6 inches probably would be a good start, of willow or cottonwood, then just bring it home and stick it in the ground. We have people drop off branches at our house when they don't need them anymore, when they prune them or whatever. So what we do is trim them to a couple feet or more, depending on the thickness of the wood, and we stick them in the ground, and this is what they do. It was about 9 months ago that we put these out. We're just coming out of winter now, it's early spring, and they're growing back, see? So we've got ourselves a willow river here, and all I'm doing is drip irrigating the water along here, and these branches are growing now. It's cost us nothing, and now we're going to have dozens and dozens of trees. Some of the bigger branches will still grow their fresh growth, as you can see. Just give them a little water and they'll make roots and grow. All they need is water. And